Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we got Titanic, yes. Last two for this month, 111 and 112. Brilliant. Working on the stern section, we got the keel to fit, we got the stern section. I've not had a look at it yet, got to unpack it. But the ship is looking absolutely fantastic. You have already seen it, so I'm not going to drag it out. It's a bit too big for that at the moment. So let's have a look at issue 111. Okie doke, issue 111. There we go, coming in issue 112, the stern section of the hull and screws. Yeah, looking through the magazine, ceramic, a reliable ship. There we go, Trans-Siberian Railway, lovely artwork. The Victorious Orient. And here we have the last section of the keel. So basically it's got the ship upside down, you pop it down, but I think we can probably do it with it in its correct position. There we go. And it's just a matter of popping all them screws on. PM screws it looks like. And that'll be the stern section of the keel. Yep, all PM screws. So, issue 112. Let's see what's coming in issue 113. There we go. 3 sections of the trim for the stern of the hull. And screws to fix them in place. Excellent. Now we have Titanic, last in the Olympic class, part 1. Now stamp. Some more sketches of Titanic. There we go, that's all about the Titanic. And here we have the stern section of the hull. So we have the stern section of the hull and the 7 PWM screws. So that should be pretty straightforward. There we go, and that's what it should look like. Yeah, it says Titanic on it. There we go, we'll have a look at the part when we get out. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, we have the parts. Let's have a look. PM, yeah, all PM. There we go. That is the last of the keel section. That is all metal. Excellent. All them screw holes seemed damaged in anywhere. Excellent. Let's get the ship. Okay, no. There is the keel section. Very nice and bonny. And what we need to do is to pop that under here, like so. I know it shows you different in the instructions. Get them 3 lined up there, and at the back, once we've got them 3 lined up, just support it at the back. There we go. Squeeze it into place. And the first 3 screws we need are these 3, all PM screws. Okay, now let's get the first one in. We'll put the middle one in. Put some oil on this one. There we go. We'll get the other 2 in. Then it's just a case of doing either the port side or the starboard side. There we go, that's all them 3 in. Now, okay, let's get 5 on the starboard side. There we go. That's every single screw in place. Brilliant. And there we go. That is that last keel section in place. Looking brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. So that is issue 111 complete. Let's move on to issue 112. Okie doke, issue 112. Here we have, let's hope it's a beautiful piece. There we go. Titanic, Liverpool. Looking absolutely superb, that. That looks gorgeous. Right, let's get it on to the ship. Brilliant stuff. Okay, now we've got the ship back with us. All we need to do is to make sure the sides go in. So just pinch the sides in. Get them over the holes. There we go. Excellent. Here and here, you need to make sure. Just follow the pictures and you'll be fine. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. As always, a little bit of oil. There we go. That should be all 6 in place now. Excellent stuff. Let's have a look at this. There we go. Titanic, Liverpool. Looks absolutely brilliant. Yeah, all we need is the yellow band. Sheer line around it. But that looks fantastic, that. Lovely shot. So there we go again, folks. Yeah, looking brilliant. Let's see, I'll swing this around. There we go. So that is the ship with its hull completed. Brilliant. There we go. Don't think that'll focus in. No. There we go. But she's looking brilliant. Very hard. There we go. Without knocking anything over here. That's the problem. But anyway, it looks brilliant. Looks absolutely fantastic. And next month, we'll get some railings, I think it is, isn't it? That's what it looked like anyway for the stern section. So that was brilliant. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. So that is issues 111, 112 complete. That is it again for another month of the Titanic. Yeah, we need to get all that rigging done, don't we? Get the decks in place, get the engines in place. Engines will go in first, obviously. Get the propeller shafts in and get the blades on. Yeah, looking excellent. Anyway, there we go. That is it for another month. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next month for the next 4 issues. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.